What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bria Pre, and I'm back with another video. So let's zoom y'all out so you can see the full effect. We are going to do an update on this hair. This is my West Kiss hair that I bought from AliExpress. Okay, so this is the human hair loose wave from West Kiss Hair and AliExpress. I got a 16-inch closure with one bundle of 18 inches, one bundle of 20 inches, and one bundle of 22 inches. It doesn't say what kind of hair, it just said human hair. And whatever human they got this from, they've been blessed by Jesus themselves. This is some of the best hair I've gotten from AliExpress. Besides my elfin hair, it goes elfin hair, it goes West Kiss hair. This is some of the most beautiful hair in texture. This is its natural state. I've never done anything to this hair. I've never curled it. I've never tried to straighten it. All I do when I'm going to go out, if it doesn't look super fresh, is I'll either run my hands through it with some water, or I'll use a spray bottle with some water, and I'll occasionally run some argan oil through it. But I have not done the argan oil thing today. All I did was run my hands through it with some water, and this is what I got. And you can see there's not really that much tangling. There's a little pulling here or there, and I don't get that much shedding at all with this hair, which is super dope. This is how long it goes on me, which for me is kind of a bit longer than 20 inches. 20 inches normally falls up here, and this falls underneath my boobs. So I like it there. 3 bundles was just enough. If you want fuller hair than this, I would go for a 4th. It wasn't bad either. I think it was like 160 bucks for this hair. And I just have a normal 4x4 closure. This is some beautiful hair, you guys. This is some low maintenance hair. This is hair you could wear to work. This is hair you could go work out in. This is hair you could go to events in. This is hair that you could literally do anything in. It doesn't bother me. It's comfortable. It's a comfortable length. It's not super long. It's not in the way. The curl pattern is beautiful. It's low maintenance. I don't experience any matting at all. At all. I've only washed this hair about twice. Co-washed it once. I have not dyed this hair or done it. I didn't even cut this hair at all. This is the natural length. This is how it falls. This is everything. And this is beautiful. This is by far, out of the 5, I think, was it 5 hair that I bought? Or yeah, I think it was 5. 2 blonde, the curly. Yeah, out of all 5 wigs that I've made, the new ones, this is number 1 on my list. I love this hair. I will be repurchasing from this brand. There's no smell to the hair. Sometimes if you get it wet, it does have a little bit of a wet dog smell, but it goes away. The shine on this hair is beautiful. The closure works wonderfully. I don't have anything bad to say about this hair. I love it so much. I recommend it. It's low maintenance. I don't know if it straightens or holds a curl. If you guys are interested in that, I don't know. I might curl this hair. I'm not sure. So all in all, I recommend this hair. I think that next time I buy from them, I'm going to try out a longer length. So stay subscribed for that, because I think this hair will look really beautiful. 26 inches maybe. This hair, oh God, this hair is just so beautiful. I can't stop looking at this hair. This is the hair I wear for job interviews. I've never not gotten a job while wearing this hair, so think about that. Anyways, I'll leave a link to them down below. They're still there. You know how AliExpress vendors are. One day they're in and the next day they're out. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you want to see updates on other hair that I have bought and have installed and have been wearing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!